It is said that there are no secrets to success. It is the result of clear determination, preparation, and your hard work.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Syed Irfan, Principal Knowledge Park International School. Accept my heartfelt congratulations on your victory this year. That is to mention the 10th class students in your AISSE CBSE exams. MashaAllah, you have given us stupendous results this year, and I am all praised for your hard work and perseverance and your diligence and intelligence, you can say. So Alhamdulillah, I hope that the batches which are preceding you, they will follow the suit. And on this occasion, I need to suggest you on a few things which are of utmost importance to you in your future, inshallah. So the first thing is proper planning. Okay, so now that you have done with your 10th class, you need to go for intermediate. And intermediate is a stage where you will be in dilemma what to choose. There are different streams. Commerce will be there for you, sciences subjects, and in science you can choose math or your science, math or biology, like that. So what you need to do is you need to choose what you're good at. Okay, there will be a plethora of things, and you need to plan for your future and what subject will be better for you in your future to achieve things. And most of the students will have in their mind the doctors and engineers. Okay, it's a good thing, it's a good profession, you need to be focused on that too, but I want you to aim high and go for groups. Okay, IAS exams or IPS, IFS, you can achieve that. And we need people in that in government also, in government sectors also. So I would suggest that you make up your mind, you set your mind on that and work on that. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is academic in charge. I congratulate to each and everyone. Never ever stop working hard. You have reached the point where you self decide your upcoming future. The more you work hard, the more you gain. Always be thankful to God for your achievement. My best wishes and blessings are always with you, students.
My hearty congratulations to all of you for your emphatic and convincing performance. Hope you are looking forward for your next task. I hope you choose the right option which will take you to great heights in your life. Choose only that what you are perfect in. And remember your school, your director sir, your principal sir, your teachers who taught you to make your future bright.
People are sending us their most precious resource. They are sending us their kids every day. And I just believe there is no other profession than teaching where people are putting a lot of trust. And it's our job to be worthy. I'm very glad to have been your teacher. I have watched your people grow, learn, and change day by day. I hope the little things done by us are very helpful for you people. And with all the love and best wishes, we are sending you off.
Congratulations. I am so impressed with your results and hope you will continue the serial of good marks. You are the inspiration to others and ideal for the new years. And good luck for more excellent achievement in the future.
Hello children, hearty congratulations to you all for this success. Always listen to your elders, they know better, and for your better future, you just follow. Always your elders will be with you, and your school always will be back of you in each and every step, and all the best for your future. Thank you.
नॉलेज पार्क इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के 10वीं कक्षा के उत्तीर्ण हुए सभी विद्यार्थियों को मैं खैसरुन्निसा हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। वर्ष भर आप सभी ने खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ाई की, यह उसी का परिणाम है। भविष्य में भी इसी प्रकार परिश्रम करते रहना तथा अपने अध्यापकों एवं बड़ों के आशीर्वाद से सदा इसी प्रकार से अच्छे अंक प्राप्त करते रहना। धन्यवाद।
बच्चों, मैं आपकी उर्दू मैम नसरीन सुल्ताना آپ تمام طلباء و طالبات کو کامیابی کی تہ دل سے مبارکباد پیش کرتی ہوں، اور ساتھ ہی ساتھ ہمارے اسکول کے ڈائریکٹر، پرنسپل اور سارے اساتذہ صاحبین کو بھی شاندار نتائج کی مبارکباد پیش کرتی ہوں۔ بچوں، آپ کی یہ کامیابی آپ کی اور اساتذہ کی محنت اور دلچسپی کا نتیجہ ہے۔ اسی طرح زندگی میں بلند حوصلے اور جد و جہد کے ساتھ آگے بڑھیے، یقیناً کامیابی آپ کے قدم چومے گی۔ میں اللہ تعالیٰ سے دعا کرتی ہوں کہ اللہ رب العزت آپ کے مستقبل کو روشن اور تابناک بنائے۔ یہ شعر آپ تمام کے لیے نظر کرتی ہوں۔ پرندوں کو نہیں دی جاتی تعلیم اڑانوں کی، پرندوں کو نہیں دی جاتی تعلیم اڑانوں کی، وہ خود طے کرتے ہیں اپنی منزل آسمانوں میں۔ خدا حافظ۔
Hope everyone fine and busy with your new tasks. I congratulate to every student. Those perform very well. This is not the final work. This is your initial first stage of your career. If you work hard continuously, if you use your talent in proper way, inshallah Almighty gives you success at every step, every stage, inshallah.
This is Muhammad Abdul Hannan, Mathematics Faculty of Knowledge Park International School. Students, I would like to congratulate you all for your well-deserved success. Climb high, climb far.
Last Wednesday, it was one of the exciting days as it was the most awaited CBSE 10th board result got declared. And let me take the privilege to inform you that the students of Knowledge Park International School has performed fabulously again. Yes, here in Knowledge Park, dreams are nurtured into reality. So, to talk on their hard work, we have the student achievers of Knowledge Park 2019 and 20.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zohar Shahid and I secured 422 marks in my 10th class CBSE. And I must say, it all pays off to the hard work of my teachers who are really amazing, inspirational and thought-provoking. Knowledge Park was a completely and different and excellent experience of my life. Here, I learned that there are many ups and downs, but we should never give up. I would like to thank all my teachers, not only from the higher sections, but also those who teach the primary sections, because they are the building blocks of a student.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Afib Ahmed of Knowledge Park International School. I have scored 449 in my 10th CBSE results. It's time to leave the school now. The eldest possibilities of my teachers made me to come to school every day. Our language teachers made us to communicate throughout the world. Maths teacher made us to solve numerous problems so that we can overcome any difficulty that comes in future. I would like to thank my social teacher for making a positive difference in my life. I would like to thank the director sir, principal sir, in charges for their complete guidance over me. I would like to congratulate my friends for their success in 10th results. Thank you.